Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kiria kirehete hamwe mathukuru 15 kuma Mwala kaunti ya Machakos makihe arutwo mataro mabata wa gwikirira githomo na gwitiria magerio maria mangicungiriria mundu atige thukuru kana acoke thutha kimathomo. Agitongoria kigomano giki mubunge mutumia wa kaunti ya Machakos augite ni mambiriirie mutaratara wa gucokia ciana cia airitu aria matigire thukuru miene itiganite kaunti no.
No, in Mwala and especially we've had a lot of teenage pregnancy, and that is why nilianzisha hii program ya second chance to the girl child, and I'm happy so far in the entire county we are heading to around 150 young girls wenye tumerudisha shule tena. Tunaendelea kuongea nao na tunawaambia kuteleza si kuanguka. Hata wakizaa, we want to work with them, we want to build their future because it is not the end of the world.
Augite ni undu guteithiriria aingi gukinyaniria iroto ciao amwe magithiaga na mbere no reri ni marahota guthie thukuru iria i hakuhi nao hatari kuriha bithi.
Full scholarship to the girl child, those that have given birth, we give full scholarship because majority of them are in day secondary schools, because after school they want to go back to their children and make sure that they are watching of their children. So we make sure at least we cater for the entire fees of the entire year, or if it is 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, we are with them, standing with them, and also making sure we give them mentorship programs.
Oreti aria othe mena wendo wa gucoka thukuru no matire no hoti matigakue ngoro na meyumirie maingirio mutaratara-ini ucio.
Wako shule bado, to keep themselves, to stay safe and to stay focused in their life, because their life hangs with them and it is them that will determine their future.
Ngerifotere Inoro TV, njitagwo Jenga Waboi.